welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. You are definitely a real one. So the winter time is almost here, which means all of the fun holiday sales are coming up. And Sephora is having their winter holiday event, which is going to be starting November the 5th through November the 15th. This is a fun time of year because not only is it the sale, my birthday falls right around that time. So I get really excited around this time of year. So today I'm going to be sharing my recommendations for the Sephora Savings Event. So this savings event is for Sephora members who are Beauty Insiders, VIB, and Rouge. If you haven't signed up to be a part of the Sephora membership, definitely take advantage of that because there are sales throughout the year that are awesome, and I always look forward to saving my coins. So I'm not going to be long with you all today because I have a ton of products to recommend. So we are going to go ahead and get started, but before we do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, of course. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and be sure to click on that notification bell so you do not miss out on a single video. Alrighty. Okay, so I have this categorized in 3 different sections. So we have skincare / body care. We also have makeup. And then of course, my favorite thing to talk about is fragrances. So we're going to talk about fragrances as well. Now, I tried to mention products that I did not mention in the spring savings event video, but if you haven't checked that video out, I'll be sure to link it somewhere above and also down in the description box. And also, I'm trying to share products that I either have not shared before or products that don't typically go on sale anywhere else. So this is the perfect time to stock up and take advantage of the Sephora sale. So we're going to get started, and we're going to start with our skin / body care. So first up with the skincare, this is from Ole Henriksen, and this is their Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. Y'all, I have actually been using this for years and I'm obsessed with it. It is such a great serum, especially if you want to help with like brightening your skin. If you suffer from hyperpigmentation, vitamin C is really, really great for your skin. This is great because it has hyaluronic acid in it as well, so it helps to keep your skin nice, hydrated, and moisturized. I'm a huge fan of this vitamin C serum from Ole Henriksen, and again, this is the Banana Brightening Serum. And along with the Banana Brightening Serum, I love using this Banana Brightening Eye Cream, and I'll be quite honest with y'all, eye creams don't really work for me. I don't know why. Typically when I try a new eye cream, it either makes my eyes itch or it just doesn't do anything. I found that this one is one that's actually pretty effective, and I think it's because it has a hint of banana powder in there, so it instantly brightens your under eye. And y'all, I suffer from dark spots and I suffer from hyperpigmentation as well. So this has been great to use when I just want to like look awake and alive. A little goes a long way with this, and honestly, I don't ever go through the entire tube because again, a little goes a long way. But this is such a great eye serum and eye cream, and again, this one is also from Ole Henriksen. The next thing I want to share is a mask, and I have been using this mask for a few years now, and this is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask from Kiehl's. I'm obsessed with this mask. I love to use this when I'm suffering from acne or if I really just want to clean out my pores thoroughly. This is such a great mask. It doesn't irritate my skin at all, and I have really been loving this. Lately, my skin has just been doing the most, especially with the weather changing. It gets really, really dry. I've been experiencing breakouts, and this has really been helping to recover my skin and make it nice and healthy. So I have 2 other products that I want to share that are body care products, and these are both from Fenty. The first one is this Rough Rider Fenty exfoliating body scrub. Y'all, I love this scrub so much. It smells amazing, first of all, but it also really is a great exfoliant, especially when you want to get all of that dirt and debris off of your skin. This is my jam. It leaves this nice soft finish on your skin. And after I apply this scrub, I like to go in with this body cream, and this is the Butter Drop Body Cream. This smells so good. It smells to me like their SPF and moisturizer that they have in their skincare line. It's kind of fruity, but I really like this. I like the consistency of it because it's pretty thick, and I love a thick body cream because I just like things that are thick. I like the fact that it's not super oily or hard to blend into the skin. This leaves a nice satin finish on your skin, and honestly I just feel so luxurious whenever I wear this. I love using these two products together. They're really good. I feel like Fenty really did their thing with these two body care products, so I would definitely recommend checking these ones out during the sale. Okay, so we're gonna move on to makeup. I don't have a ton of makeup to recommend because honestly I haven't really been into makeup this year. I think I mentioned that previously in the Sephora savings event for the spring. I don't know why, I just haven't been into makeup, but I have a few items that I did want to share with you all. The first 2 or 3 are actually coming from Huda Beauty, and these are the face products from Huda. So the first one is the primer from Huda Beauty. I believe this is like a jelly primer, water jelly primer. I really love this stuff. If you like a matte finish but you also don't want something super dry on your face, then I definitely recommend this primer. This really helps your makeup to stay and last all day, and it doesn't leave like one of those nasty cakey finishes. It doesn't have like this weird residue or anything like that. So I definitely recommend the primer from Huda Beauty. I also recommend their foundation. This is the newer formula. I'm not a huge fan of the original formula. It was just not something that I really enjoyed, but the newer formula I really do love. I reach for this all the time. So this has such a beautiful luminous finish, and I really like this foundation a lot. I also like their foundation sticks. Now this one is one that I grab for a little bit more frequently than the liquid foundation, just because I feel like it's easier to maneuver and use foundation stick. So this foundation stick is really good. Again, I like to use all 3 of their products from Huda Beauty, the face products, but my favorite of the 3 would be the foundation stick just because it's a little bit easier to apply, and I like the finish that this one gives. This doesn't glide all over your skin like some foundation sticks do. Once it's in place, it stays there and it leaves a nice, beautiful finish. Okay, so there's a few other Huda Beauty products that I absolutely love, and those are the lip liners that they have. I believe these are the 2.0 lip liners, lip contours. I'm obsessed with these. They are just my jam. Honestly, y'all, I use these every single day, and my absolute favorite is Rich Brown. I love the fact that these are retractable, but you can also sharpen them, so it comes with a sharpener as well. Super convenient. The finish is so beautiful, and this is great if you love a chocolatey brown lip liner. This is one of the best chocolatey brown lip liners that I have found. It's creamy. It doesn't slide all over the place though. It stays in place, and it's just so beautiful. I actually have it on today. So again, this one is from Huda Beauty, and this is their Lip Contour 2.0. Okay, so I also wanted to share some lip products from Fenty. So I have the cream glosses along with the heat lip plumpers. They're 2 different products, but honestly, I love both of them. I'm a huge fan of all of the Fenty lip products, so honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them, from the gloss bombs to the cream ones to the lip plumpers, the heat plumpers. I've been a huge fan of these heat lip plumpers lately. I just grab these and go, and they're really nice if you want something that has a little tint to it but isn't super opaque and you don't have like a lot of color on your lip. I love these. They do tingle. They are lip plumpers, so just kind of be aware of that. You do get that tingly sensation, and it's not like a cool tingly sensation. It's a hot tingly sensation, but I enjoy it, and I really do like these. So if you're not a fan of the plumpers, I definitely recommend checking out some of the cream glosses as well, because these ones are amazing. And honestly, any of the lip products from Fenty, you can't go wrong with. Okay, so I have another product that's not necessarily makeup related, but this is a great tool that I use to clean my makeup brushes. This is from Cinema Secrets, and this is their makeup cleaner. I am a huge fan of this makeup cleaner. As you can tell, I have used the crap out of this, but this is really good. I like to use this to clean my eye brushes when I just want to grab them and go. I don't really use this for my face products because I typically wash my face products and my face brushes every single day. I typically wash my eye brushes maybe 2 to 3 times a week. So I use this whenever I'm not washing my eye brushes. This is an easy brush cleaner to use and it cleans them so well. So it comes with this little tin that you pour the solution in and you just dip your brushes in there, dry them off and let them sit, and honestly it's the easiest thing ever. I am going to get a huge bottle during the sale because I love this stuff so much, but a little definitely goes a long way. I've had this all year and I still have a little bit left, but I'm definitely going to restock and get this again. Okay, so I also wanted to share some home fragrance items that I absolutely have been loving, and I'm so excited because they're now available at Sephora. These are candles from Forever Mood, which are owned by Jackie Aina. Y'all, I love me some Jackie Aina, and I love her candles. These candles smell amazing. Honestly, I would recommend all of them to you all. Whatever ones are available, I would definitely recommend because they all smell so nice. But two of my favorite is Cuffing Season and Caked Up. This one smells like this beautiful, delicious, gourmand, cakey kind of candle, which is definitely my jam, especially in the fall and winter time. And Cuffing Season is just this beautiful, amber, musky kind of candle. This one is my absolute favorite. It just smells so beautiful. But honestly, you cannot go wrong with any of her candles. They all smell so good. The aroma of them is amazing. They last, and the candle actually projects, which I absolutely love. She really did a great job with her candles, and like I said, you can't go wrong with any of these. But I would definitely stock up and take advantage of the sale. I am definitely going to be grabbing more of these because I go through these candles like nobody's business, but I'm a huge fan of these Forever Mood candles. All right, y'all, so now for the fun, we're gonna go into fragrances, and I am not going to mention a ton of fragrances in this video because honestly, we'll be here all day, but I tried to mention fragrances where I can't find them on discounted sites, or they only sell them at Sephora, or this is just the perfect time to take advantage of these ones. So I'm gonna go through these ones pretty quickly. I'm not gonna go super in depth on these fragrances because I have a ton of videos on all of the fragrances that I'm gonna mention, and I also will link them down below, as well as my honorable mentions, fragrances that I still think that you can take advantage of during the sale, but they're just not mentioned in this video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the fragrances. First up, this is from Kayali. This is Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper, and y'all, this is actually my favorite fragrance that came out in 2021. I am a huge fan of this fragrance. Kayali just has been doing their thing. Honestly, if you can find any Kayali fragrances during the sale, definitely take advantage. I recommend all of them. They're always sold out, but this one I actually checked and it's available. This is such a beautiful, sweet floral fragrance. It has pink pepper, there's rose, there's vanilla in here, and again, this is such a beautiful, sexy floral fragrance. I get a ton of compliments on this one. I like to wear this one at nighttime, but as of recently, I've been wearing this during the day and I've been getting a ton of compliments on it during the day as well. So definitely I would recommend checking out Kayali's Pink Pepper or any of the Kayali fragrances because honestly, they're all my jam. So next we have Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. This is the Eau de Parfum, and I'm a huge fan of this fragrance. It just smells so sweet and fruity and floral, of course. There's gardenia, jasmine, pear, and a little bit of brown sugar in here. And I like to wear this during the daytime when I'm running errands or if I'm just going to like a day event. It's just such a beautiful scent, non-offensive, very flirty, very fun. If you like floral scents and you want something that isn't really serious, then I definitely recommend this one. The next fragrances that I want to share are from Kilian, and I believe I shared this one in the April Spring Savings Event, and this is the newer one that I want to recommend, which is Apple Brandy from Kilian. This is Angel Share, and honestly, I'm a huge fan of both of them. If I had to choose, I would definitely recommend Angel Share. This is a beautiful cinnamon donut fragrance. It's boozy, so there's cinnamon, there's cognac in here, there's a little bit of vanilla in here. Such a beautiful, again, cinnamon, sweet, spicy, boozy fragrance. absolutely one of my favorite fall and wintertime fragrances. This one I absolutely love as well. There's pineapple in here, and it's such a beautiful, fresh, juicy fragrance. This one I would prefer to wear during the daytime, and this one I like to wear at night, but I definitely recommend both of these fragrances from Kilian. So another fragrance that I want to share is from Tom Ford, and this is Tobacco Vanille. This is such a beautiful, warm, sweet, vanillic, spicy fragrance. I am always waiting for fall to pull this out because I am just in love with this fragrance. Now, I don't think that this is a super unique fragrance from Tom Ford. I do feel like that this is a great fragrance for the masses. It is really beautiful. If you like warm, sweet fragrances that have a little spice to them, I would definitely recommend this one. It has a huge sillage. It performs very well, and it's a little pricey, so that's another reason why I recommend it for the sale, so you can save some coins on it. But Tobacco Vanille is a must for the fall and the winter, and I would definitely say get your hands on this one during the sale if you can. So another one that I want to share is from Chanel, and this is Coco Noir. Y'all, this is one of my favorite fragrances. This is a boss woman fragrance, okay? If you want to smell like a boss, you want to smell like that girl, that woman, I definitely recommend Coco Noir. They don't really sell this a ton of places, but I know they sell it at Sephora, and it always sells out during the sale, so definitely try to get your hands on this one if you can. I am just obsessed with this fragrance. I can't rave about it enough. It just smells so good. It's a beautiful, warm, floral scent, and honestly, when I smell this fragrance or when I have it on, I feel like that woman. I feel like you can't tell me nothing when I have this on. So definitely get your hands on this one if you can during the sale. I also want to share some fragrances from Replica because I love Replica fragrances. Jazz Club is my absolute favorite. This is such a beautiful, boozy, amber, spicy scent, and this is actually a male fragrance, but I wear it all the time. So if you want to get something for your man or you want to wear it as well, I definitely recommend this one. It just reminds me of being at a cigar bar. It's very like mysterious, and it's such a great scent for the nighttime. And then I also love Coffee Break. This is such a beautiful gourmand. There's coffee in here, a little bit of cream, vanilla, lavender. This is a calming fragrance, and I love this one when I want to chill and have just like a nice casual vibe. I get a ton of compliments on this fragrance as well, and I wear this all the time, but to me this outshines, especially in the fall and winter time, because it's just so warm and cozy, especially if you're like doing Netflix and chill in the house. This is definitely a vibe. All right, and the last and final fragrance that I want to share with you all is from Giorgio Armani, and this is My Way Intense. Y'all, I am so in love with this. I just recently got this fragrance, and it is so beautiful. If you like white floral fragrances, I would recommend this one. It opens with this blast of orange blossom and a little bit of orange in the opening, and then in the heart of this fragrance, there's tuberose, and I always say I'm not a huge fan of tuberose, but I'm starting to think that I like tuberose. But in the heart, there's tuberose, and then once it dries down, it becomes this really beautiful, sweet, vanillic scent, and I can't get enough of it. I wore this out a few times already, and I already received a ton of compliments on it. I'm not a huge fan of the original version, but this intense version is just so beautiful. I feel like they did a great job on this. So again, if you're into white florals, I definitely recommend My Way Intense from Armani. All right, y'all, so those were all of my recommendations for the Sephora Savings Event. Again, I will be sure to link all of the items that I mentioned down below in the description box. I'll also be sure to post all of the details of the sale, when it starts, when it ends, all the different tiers, and the savings amount for each tier. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, of course. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you plan on getting during the sale or what's on your wish list, because A, I'm nosy, and B, I love knowing what you guys are getting, and I want to see if there's something that I probably need to add in my cart as well. Again, I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Be sure to check me out on social media. My Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter handle will be linked down below in the description box as well. And I hope y'all have a great one and stay safe. Bye!